when we're multiplying these together, you're seeing that you get 4 things all together, right? So there's going to be a point where we start undoing the answers and going back to the beginning. It's called factoring. So I'm going to write out each portion of it. You pause me if there's something that I might have missed out on. So just recognize when you're multiplying k times k, you get k squared. And then this is plus 24k minus 48. Does that seem okay so far? Is there any part of the arithmetic that's goofy? Problem's not done yet because we can still have combine some like terms. But does that seem okay so far? So I can combine these like terms right here. So I get 16k squared. And then negative 32k added to 24. Well, I know I'm going to get a k in there. So that's going to be plus or minus 8k. And then minus 48. And that's our final answer. But the one thing I want you to realize is you have these middle terms here that goes down to this 1. It's later when we start splitting this middle term to go back to those. And we have some pretty good ways to show you here how to do it. Yes, sir.
So every time you multiply something with like 4 times 4, 4k times 4k, and then like if you had like 5k times 5k, it'd be 25k
squared. And if it was already squared and you multiply it with it by another, it becomes to the third. Because what you're doing is if you have like bases, so the bases on those are k and k, and I think you would agree with me that k to the first and k to the first is the same thing, right? So you k times k, you add the exponent, so it becomes k to the second.
Oh.
So if one was like k to the 7th, one was k to the 5th, you'd add 7 and 5 to get k to the 12th.
Okay.
Cool?
Okay, yeah.
Can I move on? Any questions here? This is good? All right. All right, so next problem. Multiply those real quick. So that's going to give me 18n squared plus 12n. And then plus 24n plus 16. These are like terms. Agree? So then I get 18n squared plus 36n plus 16. Do you agree with that? Now it's just combining like terms. And notice there's signs that are in there. Sometimes they're positive, sometimes they're negative, sometimes there's one of each. Okay? May I move off this? Okay, same thing. So that's going to give me 6x squared minus 8x. Like terms right there. And it's done. Is that okay? You getting them right? I hope. Make your corrections if you need to. If you need me to go back, I'm happy to go back. And then this one. Like terms. Is that okay? Keep going. Any questions? Again, pause me if you have questions. Kind of generic notes, but this is what the other classes were planning on doing too. I get 24a squared plus 56a 6a plus 14. These are my like terms. These hard, or they seem to fit the mold where you would expect? Like terms. Now I underline them. You don't have to. I'm just trying to show that you can put them together. Is that okay? Is there anything that I missed? I might have goofed up. I goof up all the time. I'm sorry. Okay, keep going. Okay. That's 24k squared plus 18k minus 32k minus 24. Here's my like terms right there. Seem all right? Giddy up. It's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes. Again, right? That's what I'll give you. Shut up. Shut up. You try.
All right. Here. Careful on this one because you have that negative, so those signs change over there. Like terms. Is that the last one or is there one more? One more? Okay. Ready? All right, last one. Notice the sign change, negative, negative's positive. Like terms right there. That's a 24. This is trying to be. That's it. Any questions on this? All right. Get the rest of it done. Yeah. It's homework unless you get it done in class, then you go home and you have none. Sound good? And there's only the one side, right? Just page 21. Page 22 is a blank page. So I could be that teacher saying, "Why don't you make up 6 of your own problems?" No, I'm not that guy. I ain't cutesy like that. I'm sorry. Sound good? So page 21, 22. Is that what it is? Where that happens to be blank. Cool. All right.